far the protests have been peaceful. We do see people breaching the first layer of barricade, but the police presence, the police personnel have managed to keep the protesters at bay from approaching the Bangladesh High Commission. My colleagues Akash and Siddhant continue to be with us on the broadcast. Siddhant, we just spoke to the VHP leader at length. He is assuring that this protest will remain peaceful despite the several statements that are also coming in as emotions run high. There is ample amount of sloganeering that you also see happening. So far, has the MEA really said anything about this?
Well, MEA did come up with a statement the other day rejecting the claims of the Foreign Ministry of Bangladesh. In fact, MEA had to say that the protest which took place the other day outside the High Commission, there were only 20-25 protesters, and immediately they were dispersed by the security personnel. The barricades were put by the security personnel, and there was there was no security situation created by the protesters as alleged by Bangladesh Foreign Ministry. So we are reporting outside the diplomatic enclave. This is the second barricade where protesters have been stopped, and you could see that protesters is still going on. The appeal is being made by the leaders of the protesters to not take law in their hands and to return to the initial positions. And in fact, there are very interesting messages written on the placards here, condemning Muhammad Yunus government, Yunus Sarkar, Hosh mein aao, such kinds of such sloganeering is being done here. But this is, remember, this is outside the diplomatic enclave. This is not inside the diplomatic enclave. This is about 800 meters away from the High Commission. In fact, you could see that these young boys, the protesters, have come up with these placards, these banners. Bangladesh में हिंदुओं पर हो रहे अत्याचार के विरोध में प्रचंड प्रदर्शन 23 दिसंबर 2025 मंगलवार बांग्लादेश हाई कमीशन के बाहर. So this is the protest placard which Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal have organized. But it's a very peaceful protest. All we witnessed is one effigy was burned, sloganeering against the interim government, against the chief advisor Muhammad Yunus, and Delhi police is taking full control of the protest. In fact, the bus has been placed right there to stop the protesters. Initially, protesters did break the second barricade, but Delhi police established contact with the protesters, requested them to move back, and after which again the barricades were placed. Right now also the protest is going on.
By the Delhi police for placing that bus, it's doubling up as a major barricade so that the crowd there does not approach the High Commission. Let's get in also a word from Akash there. Siddhant, do stay on with us. Akash is there right in the middle of this entire crowd from where the crowd is surging. Akash, you were talking about how they have broken the first layer of barricade. What is the status there?
Right, so Priya, I'll try to show you the visuals from on the spot right now. On my left hand side, you have the second layer of barricading where you can see one DTC bus that has been placed to obstruct the movement of these protesters, and ahead of it is the barricading, and between the DTC and the barricading you have police presence, police personnel, and also the CRP, which is somewhere trying to convince these protesters that you are not allowed to go beyond this particular area. Don't take law and order situation in your hand, and at this point in time, while you are allowed to peacefully protest here, just don't try to move beyond this particular point. On my right hand side, you have this loudspeaker from where we have these slogans that are being raised by the individuals of Vishwa Hindu Parishad. In fact, there you have a number of protesters who have gathered here. I'll try to talk to them as well. आप हमें बताइए, पहली लेयर जो बैरिकेडिंग है वो आप उसको तोड़ के बाहर आ गए हैं, सेकंड पे आ गए हैं. आपका मकसद क्या है? आप हाई कमीशन जाना चाहते हैं, वहां जाके प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, क्या कुछ है?
हमारा दूसरी लेयर को भी तोड़ने का पूरा प्रयास था, पर पुलिस बल हमसे ज्यादा आया हुआ है और पुलिस बल ने हमारे ऊपर लाठी चार्ज भी करे. आप ये देखोगे, मैं भी वहीं से आया हूँ, मैं गिर गया था वहाँ पर, वहीं से मैं भी आया हूँ. हम ये संदेश देना चाहते हैं, जो देश 1971 में भारत की मेहरबानी पर अलग हुआ, वो आज हम ही को आंख दिखा रहा है और हम ये बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे और इसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब हिंदुस्तान देगा, चाहे जिस तरीके सरकार दे। नहीं तो हिंदू तैयार बैठा है, बस सरकार का इशारा मिलने की देर है। हिंदू बहुमूल्य है और जवाब देने के लिए तत्पर है हमेशा। जय श्री राम, जय गौ माता।
कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
हम लोग त्रिलोकपुरी से हैं।
त्रिलोकपुरी से आए। दिल्ली भर से लोग आए हुए हैं, पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं। आपकी जो डिमांड है, जो मांग है, वो यूनूस सरकार के खिलाफ है कि कहीं ना कहीं एक्शन यूनूस सरकार ले, यही है। और अभी फिलहाल आप आगे मूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लाठीचार्ज वगैरह जो हुआ है, पुलिस तो आपको रोकने की कोशिश कर रही है ना?
जी जी,
तो यही चाह रही है ना कि आप यहीं प्रोटेस्ट करें पीसफुल, नहीं तो हमें और बांग्लादेश में क्या अंतर रह जाएगा?
बिल्कुल। लेकिन जो उन्होंने हमारे भाई के साथ निर्मम हत्या करी है, तो हम लोग विरोध तो करेंगे ही।
विरोध कीजिए, लेकिन आप जबरदस्ती आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे तो लाठी इससे पड़ी ना।
जी जी,
तो आपको ही चोट आएगी।
हमारा शांतिपूर्ण प्रदर्शन था और शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से ही हम आगे बढ़ रहे थे। हमारे किसी भी व्यक्ति के हाथ में आपको ईंट पत्थर अद्दा आगजनी करते हुए कोई नहीं मिलेगा। शांतिपूर्ण प्रदर्शन करता है हमारा समुदाय, शांति प्रदर्शन से ही हमने बहुत सारी चीजें हासिल करी है। 500 वर्ष का राम मंदिर भी हमने कोर्ट के द्वारा हासिल करा है। ये समाज की सभ्यता को दिखाता है और सद्भावना जो हमारी बनी हुई है उसको बांग्लादेश के साथ ही तोड़ने की कोशिश ना करें। ये जो अगर हिंदू एक बार बिगड़ गया तो संभाले से नहीं संभले।
All right. So this is what the message is, that we are here for the peaceful protest. We are raising slogans against whatever is happening in Bangladesh, atrocities against Hindu minorities in Bangladesh. And Griha, we have been seeing it for days now, that things are happening there in Bangladesh, law and order situation, and in fact the condition is worrisome there. And that's the reason why individuals from Vishwa Hindu Parishad have gathered here, very close to the Bangladesh High Commission. But yes, police is very much here. They are not letting them, go beyond this particular point. And they are saying that if you want to raise slogans, if you want to continue your protest, you please continue. But from here itself, and it should be a peaceful protest. And right now, this is what the situation is, Griha.
Right, Akash. Thank you so much for that update from that side of the crowd. Siddhant also is with us. Siddhant, very many reactions that are coming in from people who are protesting, members of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad. Akash, they're getting those voices for us. Dramatic voices nonetheless. Although the VHP leader says otherwise, we do see how the protesters are talking about the lathi charge that has been done by the police personnel, because they were trying to breach the second layer of security as well. What are you learning from this side closer to the High Commission where you're standing at?
That's right. So when the second barricade, the layer of barricading was broken by the protesters, immediately police came in action and there was a minor lathi charge by police. In fact, police pushed protesters on the other side of barricade and barricades were again formed. In fact, barricading was again formed. In fact, I'm being joined by Archana Agnihotri. She doesn't belong to any Hindu group, but she has come here in solidarity with Deepu Das, with the Hindus इन बांग्लादेश। मैम ये बताइए, आप कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से नहीं जुड़े हैं, आप सॉलिडारिटी में आए हैं हिंदूज को, कैसे देखती हैं जो बांग्लादेश में परिस्थिति उत्पन्न हो रही है? एक साल में तकरीबन 2000 हिंदुओं को, माइनॉरिटीज़ को बांग्लादेश में टारगेट किया गया, कोई भी एक्शन नहीं होता है, FIR नहीं होती है तो लेट FIR होती है, लोगों को बेल पे छोड़ दिया जाता है, कैसी देखती हैं इस परिस्थिति को?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि अक्यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह का पैटर्न है ये इन लोगों का एक मतलब रिलीजन बेस्ड पैटर्न दिख रहा है, जो कि बड़े दुख की बात है। दुख की बात इसलिए है, बांग्लादेश को आज़ाद कराने में भारतवर्ष ने जो मदद की थी वो छुपी नहीं है किसी से। उस बांग्लादेश को स्वायत्तता दिलवाने में भारतवर्ष का रोल रहा है। जिसने तुमको उंगली पकड़ के चलना सिखाया, तुम्हें मदद करी बड़े होने में, उसके संग तुम जो व्यवहार कर रहे हो, क्या ये इंसानियत का तरीका सही है? ये बिल्कुल गलत है। एक बात, धर्म देख के उस बेचारे इनोसेंट गरीब आदमी को तड़पा के इंसानियत की सीमाएं पार करके अमानुष तरीके
पुलिस
से
के प्रेजेंस में,
पुलिस तो बताते रहे, अमानुष तरीके से सबके सामने मार डालना, भीड़ में से किसी ने रोका भी नहीं उनको। ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्य की बात है और एक खतरनाक संकेत दे रही है कि ऐसे लोग जिस देश में होंगे वो देश रहने को काबिल नहीं बचेगा और फिर ये इंसानियत के बिल्कुल विरुद्ध है। ये बहुत ही दुख की बात है, बहुत ही शर्मनाक है। और अगर अमेरिका इस जगह होता तो उसके नागरिक के संग अगर ये किया जाता तो अमेरिका बांग्लादेश पे
तो आपको लगता है भारत सरकार भी क्या कुछ बैकफुट पे, भारत सरकार को भी स्टेप अप करना चाहिए और बोलना चाहिए और इस मुद्दे को उठाना चाहिए अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे?
उठाना ही नहीं चाहिए, भारत सरकार को तगड़ा एक्शन लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि भारत सरकार ने ही बांग्लादेश को बनाया है। और हो सकता है, मोदी जी पे मुझे पूरा विश्वास है, इतना मैं मानती हूँ, ही मस्ट बी हैविंग सम प्लान फॉर बांग्लादेश। हो सकता है वो चुपचाप उसको
Yeah, he's the first world leader to be raising the issue of atrocities again.
Yes, so I'm pretty sure he will do something that Bangladesh will learn, and the other countries who will try to behave like this will learn that they should not do it with their countrymen.
Thank you, Archana ji. So there you see, in fact, there are a lot of people here who are not part of any group or any organization, Hindu organization. They got this message on their phones about this march, and they are participating in solidarity with the Hindus living in Bangladesh. In fact, the senior leaders from VHP, Bajrang Dal, they are also present here. In fact, people are coming here in large numbers. The second barricade where the cops have stopped the protesters, and sloganeering is still going on against the Mohammad Yunus government. In fact, effigy has also been burned. The senior leaders are here, but situation is in control, and protesters, the announcement is being done that it is a peaceful protest. Don't take law in your hands. Such announcements are also being made. Back to you.
All right, and Akash, this was an announced protest. This protest that the VHP is branding as Prachand Pradarshan has been announced, and that's why there has been this ample police presence to contain any sort of an untoward incident that might happen. When do they plan to end it?
Greya, I cannot hear you and I cannot hear your question. But right now, as far as this protest is concerned, so more people are joining. In fact, hundreds of individuals are present at this point in time near the Bangladesh High Commission. However, police is not letting them go beyond a certain point, given the fact that they have to keep law and order situation in their mind. And I'll try to show you the visuals. There you have one person at the top of the barricade, somewhere trying to convince the protesters that you cannot move beyond this particular point, and also this protest should be peaceful. Siddhant has been reporting from the very same place, in fact from the other side of the protest. And this particular place, this is in central Delhi, very close to the Bangladesh High Commission, just 700 meters short of Bangladesh High Commission. And this particular protest was announced day before yesterday, after the sort of activities that were happening in Bangladesh, when the media houses and in fact the buildings were set on fire. It was then when this protest was announced, and a call was given by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, and that's the reason why we have people from different parts of the national capital who have gathered here. In fact, they are raising slogans. There you have Bangladeshi Hinduओं की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करो, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समुदाय चुप्पी छोड़ो. They are they have in fact gathered here to mark in fact their voice and send a larger message that Hindus here in India are somewhere standing with their brothers and sisters in Bangladesh, and that's why they are carrying out this sort of protest. Once again, a 360-degree view of the protest. I'm in mid of this particular crowd, and there you have on left hand side you have the barricading, the second layer of barricading, and in fact behind me is the place, in fact is the starting of this road that is coming from the ring road. This is the area very close to the south campus of Delhi University, in fact Durgabai Deshmukh South Campus metro station, where all of these people, hundreds and hundreds of people in fact have gathered, and in fact they are raising their voice against Bangladeshi government, and in fact against the activities that are happening in Bangladesh against the Hindu minorities.
Right. Siddhant also continues to be with us. Siddhant, this is exactly what VHP's Vinod Bansal also told me just a short while back, that this is a larger message to the international community, to the UN, that action must be taken on the atrocities on minorities that we see happening out of Bangladesh, and not essentially a message to the Yunus government. Although the protests do see the burning of effigies, how does one read this?
Well, that's right. So I'm being joined by Ishika Taneja of VHP. Ishika ji, today you have come here to participate in the protest against the atrocities on the Hindu minorities in Bangladesh. How do you look at this situation unfolding in Bangladesh? From last 1 year, more than 2,000 such cases have been reported where Hindus and other minorities have been targeted. How do you look at the situation?
Sir, I would like to correct you. I am not from VHP. I'm just a normal Hindu who's standing here solo because I really feel that the things have to be changed. We have to save our indigenous rights because now it's high time. We were thrown away, we were pushed away, we were raped, we were killed, and everything was happening in Iraq, it happened in Iran, it happened in Afghanistan, it is still happening in Pakistan, it is still happening in Bangladesh, and still international authorities have given him so-called Nobel Peace Prize to people like Yusuf Ji, who is actually extremely extremist because his military power, his police was the one who actually gave away Deepu to the radicalists, and he did not step in. He is still not stepping in. So what we really want is that we want another nation where Hindus are safe, because Hindus cannot keep on running away. They ran away from Kashmir, they are still running away from Pakistan, they are still running away from Kerala. Till when are we going to run away? We have to save our indigenous rights, and international agencies have to step in. The way they are stepping in for Australia, the way they are stepping in for US, the way they have to be stepping in for UK, because it's an international problem now. It is not really related to one Deepu. I am a Deepu, you will be a Deepu till the time this radical Islamist mindset is not controlled.
So this campaign will continue?
Of course it will continue. It will continue till the time we do not get justice. And I also request our Mananiya Pradhan Mantri ji that he has to open the borders, but also he needs to safeguard those Hindus, and if need be, we have to send our military, we have to send our army so that those guys are saved, and we have to empower them in the sense of politics, in the sense of power, so that they also have a very safe, secured nation in Bangladesh, and they do not need to run away anymore. It's enough.
Thank you, ma'am.
So there in the crowd, Siddhant, I'll come back to you in just a bit. Akash, myriad sentiments, opening the borders, all of this from there.
Right, and in fact, I have one individual. आप अपना एक बार नाम बता दें हमें, और क्या कुछ मकसद है? अब तो प्रोटेस्ट भी कर लिया, तो आप वापस जाएंगे?
वाल्मीकि साधु अखाड़ा परिषद से प्रचारी महंत गुरुजी राज चंदेल आज बांग्लादेश एम्बेसी के माध्यम से तमाम उन जिहादियों को चेतावनी देने जा रहा हूं कि हम तमाम सनातनी इकट्ठा होकर अब बांग्लादेश में कूच करने आ रहे हैं। दीपू को मारकर वो सुरमा बन रहे हैं। ये त्रिशूल सनातन धर्म की रक्षा के लिए है, तो शास्त्र इस विश्व में शांति देने के लिए है। हमारे धर्म शास्त्र, इस संसार में अगर धर्म कोई है तो सनातन धर्म है। उस सनातन धर्म की रक्षा के लिए देश की सेनाओं के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर बांग्लादेश के अंदर करोड़ों साधु संत, नागा साधु, अघोड़ी साधु इन्होंने जला के मारा है। उनको चीर फाड़ करके उनको खाने के लिए हम लोग बांग्लादेश में आ रहे हैं।
All right. So this is what the sentiment is. People are basically angry, Griha, because of the fact that a number of activities have happened in Bangladesh, and specifically crimes against the minorities, and that's the reason why we have a number of individuals who have gathered here. They are angry because of the fact that things have been happening there for quite some time now, and the government, the Yunus government, has failed to take any action against those who are in fact committing all these crimes against the Hindus, and that's why we are seeing that people have gathered in large number, and they are somewhere protesting here very close to the Bangladesh High Commission here in the national capital, Delhi.
Right. Also, Siddhant, you have been speaking to very many of the Hindu society, civil society members. You just had a lady also talking about the atrocities that Hindus are suffering in Bangladesh. But what is it that they are saying about the outcome of this particular protest? Where do they see it going?
Well, I'll take this question from one of the protesters. सर ये बताइए, आप लोग इतना प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे कैंपेन चल रहा है, पर जो मोहम्मद यूनुस की सरकार है उन पर जूं भी नहीं रेंगती है। पिछले 1 साल से तकरीबन 2000 से ऐसे ज्यादा ऐसे मामले आए हैं जहां पर हिंदुओं को और माइनॉरिटीज को अटैक किया गया। तो निष्कर्ष क्या निकलता है, समाधान क्या निकलता है इन प्रोटेस्ट से?
कि हम इस प्रोटेस्ट से उनके ऊपर इंटरनेशनल प्रेशर डालने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
हम, हमारी सरकार और हमारे हिंदू संगठन सब चाहते हैं कि ये जो मुसलमान जिहादी मानसिकता के जो बांग्लादेश में हिंदुओं को प्रताड़ित कर रहे हैं उसको जल्द से जल्द रोका जाए, क्योंकि हमारे हिंदुओं को अब कहाँ गया यूएन, अब कहाँ गए नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स? आज सारे बैठे हुए, चुपचाप बैठे हुए। आप सबने, हमने सबने देखा है।
एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल ने बोला, एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल ने ही मुद्दा उठाया कि इस मामले को तुरंत इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जाए।
इसको जल्दी से जल्दी किया जाए, हिंदुओं के ऊपर होने वाले अत्याचारों को बंद किया जाए। हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, हम साइलेंट प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट दिस टू हैपन एनी फर्दर। वी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनी गवर्नमेंट टू अलाउ दिस काइंड ऑफ atrocities on Hindus, and it is happening all over the country, all over their country.
So will this campaign continue, or it is only for today?
We will keep protesting, we will keep doing it till the time this does not stop. The government of Bangladesh has to take into consideration our appeal that Hindus have to remain safe there. They cannot make Hindus safe there.
Is there any plan of writing to the international organizations, writing to various other countries, asking them?
Organization, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, an international organization. We have our teams there also. They all are working together to put pressure, and other organizations are also working on this so that immediate action should be taken on this. And you must have seen since last 1 year, we are continuously doing protests so that international pressure come on the government there.
Yeah, in fact, Prime Minister Modi is the first world leader to raise this issue on international.
Absolutely. So we have been giving representations to the Indian government, and wherever the platforms are there, we will be giving our representations, and we will request that this kind of atrocities should stop immediately.
Okay, so there you see, we are hearing from protesters is that they are going to write to the international organization. In fact, they are saying that they are going to continue with the campaign with this with such protests in days to come, even in days to come, until this gets stopped. There's the atrocities against Hindus and the other minorities. Such killings, such lynchings should get stopped in Bangladesh.
Absolutely. Very contrasting voices that are coming in from that side of the barricade, very close to the Bangladesh High Commission, the voices that Siddhant is bringing to us. Akash, emotions are running really high from where you are standing. Have they got the exact brief of what the protest should be about? It is an appeal to the international community and not really a march into Bangladesh. Akash, if you can hear me. Siddhant, would you like to take that? Siddhant, if you can hear me, we are seeing these very, very contrasting voices from where you are standing and from where Akash is bringing us the voices of the BHP protesters from inside the crowd. Emotions seem to be running high. They are making some statements that could be deemed rather controversial. They're also talking about marching and approaching Bangladesh, opening the borders, all of those sentiments now coming to light.
Right, that's right. In fact, protesters have come here in large numbers, and protest is still going on near the second barricade. They are not being allowed to go beyond the second barricade. Peacefully, these protesters are protesting, and in fact, they are saying that such protests will take place in days to come outside the Bangladesh mission. Until this pattern of attacks and atrocities against Hindus gets stopped. So there is a lot of anger, there is a lot of emotion here where I'm reporting from in Chanakyapuri. Not only protesters from Vishwa Hindu Parishad or Bajrang Dal, but even the common people are also here in solidarity with the community in Bangladesh.
Right,
back to you.
Yes, Siddhant, you have already raised that point that Amnesty International has taken cognizance of that entire incident of lynching of Deepu Das in Bangladesh, in Dhaka. The appeal that is so far coming to fore is that this is an appeal to the international community, also the UN, to look at what is happening on Hindus in Bangladesh. But since Amnesty has already taken this up, which way is this protest really headed?
Well, that's right. In fact, I'm being joined by some of the protesters. दीदी आप कहाँ से आई हैं? दीदी कहाँ से आई हैं?
हम यही आरकेपुरम से हैं।
आरकेपुरम से। तो कोई संगठन से जुड़ी हुई हैं? विश्व हिंदू परिषद है। तो कैसे देखती हैं जो 1 साल से बांग्लादेश में चल रहा है, लगातार हिंदुओं को टारगेट किया जा रहा है?
पहले भी इसी स्थान पर हम लोगों ने आवाज उठाई थी।
अच्छा, कब उठाई थी?
पीछे 1.5 साल पहले की बात है। अभी हम लोग बांग्लादेश हाई कमीशन ही गए थे। ज्ञापन था, चीजें क्या है, ज्ञापन दे दिया, उन्हें सुविधा दे दी, प्रदर्शन कर लिया, रिजल्ट कुछ नहीं है।
रिजल्ट कुछ नहीं है।
रिजल्ट कुछ नहीं है। सरकार के तो अपने हाथ बंधे हुए हैं। हम उनके हाथ बंधे हुए हैं, हमारे नहीं बंधे हुए ना। तो अब हम अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करेंगे। अभी जो मानवता को शर्मसार किया जा रहा है वो बहुत गलत है। हमने मनुष्य प्राणी है, हमने जन्म लिया है, तो किसी को मारने का और इस तरीके से जलाने का अधिकार नहीं है। हम नहीं कर रहे वो। आप देखिए, आप कहीं भी देखिएगा, आप तो खुद ही पढ़े लिखे हैं कि कहीं इस तरीके से हिंदू कोई अपराध करता नहीं।
लेकिन 1 साल से आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं पर उसका नतीजा कुछ निकल नहीं रहा।
वही है समस्या कि अब उसका नतीजा नहीं निकल रहा है, तो उसके लिए वही प्रयास। अब उसके बाद प्रयत्नरत है। अगर अभी रिजल्ट नहीं निकले तो आप अपने बिहार पर कुछ ना कुछ तो करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
आप भी साथ में दीदी? तो आपने भी पहले प्रोटेस्ट किया है?
कई बार प्रोटेस्ट किया है, करते आ रहे हैं। हिंदू को शास्त्रों के साथ शास्त्रों को उठाने की आवश्यकता आ गई है और हर हिंदू को इस समय एकजुट हो जाना चाहिए। जो बांग्लादेश में हुआ है, निर्मम हत्या ने हर हिंदू समाज को झकझोर करके रख दिया है। और छोटी सी मौत नहीं है ये, एक 25 साल के युवा को जलाया गया, एक हिंदू को जलाया गया, एक हर हिंदू की आत्मा को जलाया गया है। ये ऐसी जो अत्याचार हिंदू पे होते जा रहे हैं, कब तक हिंदू सहेगा?
तो आपको क्या लग रहा है इसका हल कैसे निकलेगा? क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने भी इसको इंटरनेशनल स्टेज पे उठाया है, बाकी सरकारों ने भी कई बार बोला है, कनाडा के पार्लियामेंट में मुद्दा उठाया जा रहा है, यूके के पार्लियामेंट में मुद्दा उठाया गया है, जो पार्लियामेंटेरियंस हैं और देशों के वो भी इस मुद्दे पर बोल रहे हैं, पर बांग्लादेश के कान पे जूं भी नहीं रेंग रही, उनकी सरकार के कान पे जूं भी नहीं रेंग रही है, या यूं कहें कि उनसे परिस्थिति संभल नहीं रही है। जो भी कुछ हो, लेकिन हिंदुओं पे जो हमला है वो लगातार हो रहा है।
ऐसा इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि हिंदू जो है संगठित नहीं हो पा रहा है। जिस दिन हिंदू ने संगठित होने का विश्वास कर लिया और ये मन में ठान ली कि मुझे संगठित होके एकजुट होकर लड़ाई करनी है, उस दिन मैं दावा कर सकती हूँ कोई हिंदू नहीं मर सकता, चाहे वो कोई भी कंट्री हो।
ठीक है। See, so there you see, there's a lot of anger, emotions are running high. In fact, the call is being given the Hindu unity, that Hindus should come together. They should unite in Bangladesh to stand against the government. Back to you.
Right, Siddhant.